Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Horizon. Today we're diving into the exciting world of crypto with a focus on the LBank Referral program. If you're looking to maximize your rewards and bonuses on one of the top cryptocurrency exchanges, then this video is for you. Make sure to stick around till the end to get all the details and use the referral code 3QDB6 to start earning. So, what exactly is the LBank Referral program? It's a fantastic way for both new and existing users to earn rewards. When you refer a friend to LBank, you both get special bonuses. These can include things like trading fee discounts, sign-up bonuses, and even cashback on trades. It's a win-win for everyone involved. Let's walk through the steps to use the LBank referral code 3QDB6 to get the most out of these rewards. 1. Visit the LBank website or app first. Head over to the official LBank website or download the LBank app from the App Store or Google Play. Make sure you're on the official site to avoid any scams. 2. Create an LBank account. Click on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address or phone number and create a strong password. Agree to the terms of service and privacy policy, then hit Sign Up. 3. Enter the LBank referral code. During the sign-up process, you'll see a field for a referral code. Enter 3QDB6 here. This is crucial to ensure you get your bonuses. 4. Complete KYC verification. To unlock all the rewards, you'll need to complete the KYC, Know Your Customer verification process. This typically involves providing some personal information and a valid ID. It's a standard procedure to keep the platform secure. 5. Claim your rewards. Once your account is set up and verified, you can start claiming your rewards. Go to the Rewards Hub on the LBank site or app. Here you'll find your bonuses and other rewards. Click on them to see what you've won. Let's talk about the types of rewards you can earn with the LBank referral code 3QDB6. 1. Trading fee. Discounts. By using the referral code, you can get a discount on all your trading fees. This means more savings for you with every trade you make. 2. Sign-up bonuses. When you use the referral code, you get a special crypto bonus. This is a fantastic way to get started on the platform and boost your trading experience. 3. Cashback on trades. Another great perk is the cashback on your trades. You can earn a percentage of the trading fees paid by your referrals. This can add up quickly, giving you even more benefits. To be eligible for these rewards, you need to complete a few steps. 1. KYC verification. As mentioned, KYC is required. This ensures the platform is secure and compliant with regulations. 2. Active participation. To keep earning rewards, make sure you stay active on the platform. This includes trading, making deposits, and referring more friends. Now let's quickly go over why LBank is such a great platform. 1. Wide range of trading options. LBank offers spot trading, margin trading, futures trading, and even staking services. It's a versatile platform that caters to all types of traders. 2. Low fees. The trading fees on LBank are competitive, especially with the additional discounts you get from using the referral code 3QDB6. 3. High security. LBank takes security seriously, with features like two-factor authentication and advanced encryption to protect your assets. Here are some tips to maximize your rewards. 1. Refer more friends. The more friends you invite, the more bonuses and cashback you earn. Each friend who signs up using your referral code brings additional rewards. 2. Stay active. Regularly trade and participate in platform activities to keep unlocking new bonuses and benefits. To sum up, the LBank referral program is an excellent opportunity to earn extra crypto and enjoy reduced trading fees. Don't forget to use the referral code 3QDB6 to get started with your bonuses. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Crypto Horizon for more crypto tips and updates. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to LBank, sign up using the referral code 3QDB6, and start earning your rewards today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.